Welcome to the future with AI Force Hub. Find the best AI tools and discover a world of new possibilities. In this video, we will show you on how to use Lovo AI auto-subtitle. This feature likely automatically generates subtitles or captions for audio or video content by transcribing the spoken words into text. So, let's create a project, then click the auto-subtitle and click the Start Project button. The next step is to upload our video. We can do this by selecting or dragging and dropping the video file from our device. Lovo AI supports various video formats, so feel free to upload your preferred format. Before generating subtitles, make sure to select the language for our video. Lovo AI supports multiple languages, so choose the one that corresponds to our video content. Now we can see the text that was produced from the video that we uploaded. Before we will customize some settings. Let's try to play the video with a subtitle.
Because it's too easy to make excuses when you're leaving the office, leaving the HQ, leaving your work, and half-assing a workout, or not even going to work out because you're too tired, you had a rough day, things didn't work out.
Well, that is quite good. We will just edit a few things like the placement of some words. So, all we have to do now is to customize the settings. First, we will go to Style button. We can choose a lot of preset templates provided by Lovo AI. Let's find one and choose a better template. So, for us, we just want a simple one. Let's choose the first one. Now, we can see a lot of options we can use. We can change the font style, font size, and text alignment. We can also select whether bold or italic, uppercase or lowercase, line height, and letter spacing. We can also add a stroke, but in our case, we will not use the stroke. Next is shadow. We will just choose a black one. Next is the background. We can choose whether it will be rounded or not. We will not also use this one since we want a simple one. Next is the highlight. There are 3 options in this feature. We can choose a highlight word.
Because it's too easy to make excuses.
Next is the follow block option.
When you're leaving the office, leaving the HQ,
And the last is the karaoke option.
leaving your work.
So, that's the 3 options you can pick when you want to highlight a text. But for us, we will not use the highlight option. Now, let's try to preview again.
Because it's too easy to make excuses when you're leaving the office, leaving the HQ, leaving your work, and half-assing a workout, or not even going to work out because you're too tired, you had a rough day, things didn't work out.
And there you have it. A tutorial on how to create an auto-subtitle on a video using Lovo AI. A powerful tool that simplifies the process of generating accurate subtitles for your videos. We hope that we help you. Start using Lovo AI with the link below and discover more AI secrets at aiforcehub.com. Join our AI community on our social media channels, and let's continue to shape the future together.